Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to check your Twitter or X premium subscription renewal or expiry date. So the exact same methods applies in the mobile app also. Let's get started. For this, just come to the home interface of your Twitter app or web app, and here we will be having the premium option. Click it, and in premium, if you scroll down in the mobile app, at the end we will be having manage your subscription option. Click this, and we'll be having this manage subscription, and it will show you if the premium is active or not. And as you can see here, we are having next billing cycle starts on January 2nd. So in my case, I've actually got the plan on the first week of December. So if you calculate 1 month, it comes around January 2nd. So after January 2nd, we will be getting charged again, the auto pay thing. If you want to cancel that, I would recommend you to cancel it like 1 day before the new cycle beginning date. Okay, so this is basically how you check this date. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.